and my responsibility is about power kit engine for West Europe. In 3 years we entered in 80% of the OEMs in West Europe, and also with our action of advertising with Ferrari, with Ferretti, with Linde, with Baudouin, we have improved Weichai image in the world. Milan Airport International, HANAS is the government company for building the street and the tunnels. Yeah. And you don't have a service request because the engine has a very good performance. I'm sure that many companies, Chinese companies, we have the opportunity to come in Italy to work. And of course, consequently, I'm sure that many companies in China, they will start to receive order from Italy, other country near Italy. I'm confident, I'm sure, not unconfident, I'm sure that Weichai will grow in European market, because first of all, because the management, the high management in Weichai have a very good view about the future. Yeah. Second, because Weichai is very fast when they have to develop new product for meet the market requirement. And third, because Weichai have a very good open culture. For this reason is I'm sure that they can adapt and integrate the different culture for the different market, the different country.